Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best cotton yarn skeins for crochet projects. The NICEEC 21 Skeins Soft Baby Cotton Yarn Kit. If you're into crocheting, knitting, weaving, or DIY crafts, this colorful kit might be just what you're looking for. This kit comes with 21 mini skeins, each weighing approximately 0.7 ounces and measuring around 70 yards. That gives you a total of 1,470 yards or 14.7 ounces of yarn, neatly bundled in one compact package. The yarn is fingering weight, categorized as number 1 baby weight, which is great for detailed and delicate work. It's especially ideal for baby garments, lightweight scarves, decorative accents, or even amigurumi projects. What sets this product apart is the material. It's 100% soft cotton. That makes it breathable, skin-friendly, and easy to work with. Whether you're crocheting a small animal, a colorful granny square, or a miniature accessory, the yarn glides smoothly over hooks and needles without splitting or tangling excessively. You'll find it gentle on the hands even during longer crafting sessions. In terms of color, this kit includes 21 assorted shades, vibrant, cheerful, and perfect for any season. These are great for creating playful patterns or color gradients. Whether you're working on a rainbow-themed blanket or a pastel-toned baby hat, the kit gives you plenty of variety to experiment with. Each mini skein is individually wound, making storage and selection super convenient. Now, let's talk tools. The recommended crochet hook size for this yarn is US size B to D, which corresponds to 2.5 mm to 3 mm. If you're using knitting needles, US size 1 to 3 is the sweet spot. So if you're planning on using this kit, make sure you've got fine gauge tools handy for the best results. Another major plus is its ease of care. While hand washing is ideal, this yarn can handle machine wash as well, which makes it more practical for everyday use items like dishcloths or babywear. However, as with all cotton yarns, it's a good idea to test wash your swatch before committing to larger projects. Whether you're a beginner looking to practice color combinations, or an experienced crafter working on complex multicolor designs, this kit offers a balance of quality, quantity, and creative flexibility. Its soft texture and lightweight feel make it suitable for a wide range of uses, from fine wearables to decorative home pieces. In conclusion, the NICEEC 21 Skeins Cotton Yarn Kit is an excellent choice for crafters who want an affordable, colorful, and high-quality cotton yarn set. It gives you enough variety and volume to create several small to medium-sized projects, and the soft cotton fiber ensures a professional look and feel in the final product. If you want a yarn kit that brings color, softness, and ease of use together, this one is a strong contender. That wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives on the best crafting tools and materials. Only here on Product Critique. See you in the next video.